Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in the market for an adjustable cane for my mother. She is very short and very unstable, and the cane she currently has won't stand up on its own, so she's constantly having to pick it up when it falls. This is not working for us. This adjustable, foldable walking cane from REHAND has fixed all of those problems. There are so many things that I love about this walking cane. I love that it's easy to put together. It just snaps right into place. It's lightweight, easy to adjust the height for her comfort, and with its 4-prong pivoting base, I know she's getting excellent stability. I also like that the foot pads are non-slip, so I don't have to worry about her walking on wet surfaces like the deck. This company offers several different colors for you to choose from, so you're sure to find the one that matches your personality and style. The handle fit very nice in my hand. I feel like my mother can walk for hours with this cane and not feel any discomfort. It also comes with a wrist strap for added security. So if you're in the market for a walking cane that will give you or your loved one comfort, style, and convenience, then you're going to love this walking cane from REHAND. And that's my point of view.